Are you ready to find out which one of our customers is going to win this TV? Hi, my name is Lacey and I'm part of the team here at Graham Auto Repair. We just opened our second location here in Yelm, Washington in June 2022. To celebrate the opening of our new location, we are holding 3 monthly customer appreciation drawings to win a big screen TV. Stay tuned until the end of this video if you'd like to find out how you can be entered to win for our August or September drawing. Let's get to our first drawing. This is John and he's going to do our first drawing. Are you ready to find out who our first winner is?
Let's do it.
Okay, no peeking. Draw our first winner.
You know it's not the same as it was.
Only one.
As it was.
Forget.
Our first winner is Darlene Reynolds. Hey, this is John down here at Graham Auto Repair. How you doing? Well, you remember how we told you that we were having a drawing for the TV set? Yeah, you won. Awesome. Can you come down Thursday?
I love that lady.
Yeah.
She's so nice.
She won the TV.
Right on.
He called me at work and told me that I won. So right afterward, I went on to Facebook and said, I'm highly blessed and highly favored thanks to Graham.
Well, we'd just like to say thank you. You are the first winner of our monthly drawing.
I've been wanting to get a TV for quite a while now. I'm tired of watching my little telephone.
Now you're going to have to stand back. Well, congratulations.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Let me tell you how you can be our next winner. First, you can give us a call to schedule an appointment at 360-245-0388, or you can schedule an appointment online at www.grahamautorepair.com. You can also stop by our new shop to schedule your appointment in person. To be entered into our August drawing, your service must be completed with us in our Yelm location by July 31st, 2022. If you complete a service with us in August by August 31st, 2022, you will be automatically entered into our September drawing. Thank you to everyone who has helped us to make our first month in Yelm a success. And to our future customers, we look forward to serving you.